Hi! In this tutorial we will see how to generate a 3D model using Metashape. Let's go to Workflow, Add Photos, and select the photos previously taken with Shift plus left mouse button. Then click Open. From the menu below, we select all the photos. Then click Workflow, Align Photos. Keep the standard parameters and press OK. At the end of the process, we will find ourselves with a preliminary point cloud of our object. So let's start now to refine it. Click the camera icon to hide the photos. Then use the selection tool to select the wanted points and press delete. So let's continue until we have narrowed the field around our object. Now right-click on a photo, select Estimate Image Quality, All Cameras and OK. We then delete all the photos with less than 0.5 quality in order to obtain a high-quality scan. Now let's go to Tools, Markers, Detect Markers. Click OK. They will then be detected and shown on the left menu. Now we retrieve the previous measure of data, select the markers in pairs, right-click, create scale bars, and assign the measured value. We repeat the operation for the remaining markers and click Check Scale Bar. The model will then be scaled to its actual size. Workflow, Build Dense Cloud, and OK. So let's go back to Workflow, Build Mesh, and OK. Now let's go back to the Selection tool and eliminate the excesses by pressing Delete. Now Workflow, Build Texture. We have thus obtained our model, almost definitive. The details are realistic, but we still need some editing to refine the surfaces. Then we click on Export Model, make sure that the selected format is OBJ, and assign a name. Now we choose the format for the texture between JPEG and PNG. In the next episode, we will move on to the finishing in Blender. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I remind you to subscribe to our channel not to lose any news. And I invite you to watch our videos for more information about My AR Studio.